Hello and welcome to I'm Nathan1301. Today in this video we are going to be unboxing this Zebronics wireless mouse. This is one of the more interesting designs I've seen online. Got it on Amazon and it's kind of fancy. It comes in this plastic thing, not the fanciest packaging, but it's right there. It comes with a Type A to Type C charging cable. That plugs in right in the front of the mouse right there, and a user guide. So I'll go too much into the details. Let's talk about the mouse. Mouse has this nice, clean, transparent design. I went for the black color. As you can see on the box right here, there are two others, which is blue and white. So I went for the black. You can see through this mouse a lot. You can see the buttons right there. When you click, something note, they have really silent clicks. The scroll wheel is really nice to scroll on. Now this part of the mouse is magnetic. It opens up just like that. You can see the magnets over there. It snaps on like that. So when you open there, you're greeted with this tiny briefcase, which is also magnetic. It sits magnetically right there, as you can see. And this briefcase has the connectors that you need, which is also magnetic, so it's not going anywhere. And before that, let's just go into the mouse. As you can see, this is the body of the mouse. The battery and stuff is probably down in here. You can't see too much of the circuits. You can see a bit there at the buttons, but not that much. Let's flip out towards the back. Here's the on and off switch. This switch is to change the DPI and the LED mode. It has lighting all around the mouse, and that happens only when it's connected, which is great. And here, as you can see, it can select either one of these dongles or either one of the two Bluetooth devices that it can connect to. So totally it can connect to 4 devices, but it can use only one device at a time. And this is the button to switch it. It can also use only one dongle at a time. If you connect both of these to something, it'll use one of them. So that's something to take a note of. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see what we're dealing with here. Now, I'm going to be using the Type C for my iPad to show you. So let's plug it in right there. You can put this briefcase back here and slap the cover on and turn this on. Boop. As you can see the red light on the sensor, but to the human eye, this is invisible. You also get a battery indicator that was just on. I will show the battery indicator to you when I'm charging the mouse. You can probably see the cursor on my iPad right there. It's not bad. As you can see, it's pretty good. I'm gonna do a speed test. It is pretty accurate, honestly. Now let's show you the charging. I want to show you the charging LEDs right there, so that's important. For that, let's get a charger and let's use the same cable that they provided. And when you plug this in, there you go. Now that is your battery indicator. You can clearly see it on, suppose I turn this off and show you the insides. You can see it has a battery pattern printed on the motherboard right there on the board. So you know that it's a battery indicator and you know what full charge means too. So that's pretty cool that it has that. You see how it blinks to know it's charging. Pretty great, and it'll stop blinking when it's fully charged. I feel like this mouse is a good bet for money. It is very comfortable to use. It is feels good to touch in the hand. It doesn't have any of those nasty rubbery finishes that always picks up molds and stuff like the other mice have, as you can see right here. And I don't think it'll ever pick up any mold because of the plastic finish. Even though this is black, it has a plastic layering over that too, which is great. And and it supports all kinds of devices. So this mouse is really best bet for price. It is value for money because I got this mouse for this much on Amazon, and that's why it has everything that a mouse should have for this price and for such a cheap price. So amazing product. You guys seem to love mice videos, so go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, I don't say this often in my videos, but go and follow me on my threads. The link's in the description. Go ahead and follow me there. I post updates of all my YouTube videos on there. So go ahead and follow me there. I'll catch you guys in the next video.